What's up, guys? It's me, Chippy with Chippy Mac, and today we're opening up our squishmallows.
Squishmallows.
Let's go! Alrighty, we're unboxing. You ready, Mac? Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna open up this one.
I can't open mine.
I'll open it for you in a second. Open it up like a bag of chips. Okay, I think we need scissors. Call in Chippy Dad. Chippy Dad. Chippy Dad.
We need scissors.
Here it comes.
He's coming.
Alright, nope, here.
And I'll do the rest.
Okay.
Cut Mac.
We can see yours first.
We got a carrot! Oh my gosh, look how cool it is. Look at him.
It's a carrot.
Yeah, it's a carrot. That's
All right.
That's what the top of it felt like.
Chippy Mac,
It's
set
open.
yours up there.
Look at how cute it
What
is.
do you think you're going to get?
It smells like a carrot.
I hope you get the sheep.
It smells.
No, I'm not gonna.
It smells pretty good.
Alright, pull it out.
Oh, Mackie! Oh! We got two
You got a
carrots.
carrot too.
Two carrots. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of this in the future, please comment.
We
We
got
hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, but hope
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.